I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the kit is intact and within its expiry date. This prevents false results. Next, clear a flat surface, gather tissues, cloth, and an alcohol wipe. Once done, wash and thoroughly dry your hands to reduce contamination risks. Open the kit only when ready and lay out components in the order indicated. Then read the quick instructions once to orient yourself. Follow each step in sequence to ensure the sample you collect will be valid and readable. You now perform the sampling step slowly and deliberately because accuracy depends on proper collection. If using a finger prick, massage toward the fingertip, puncture with the provided lancet, and collect the exact number of drops on the pipette. If using an oral swab, roll it firmly across gums for the full time. Make sure to transfer the sample into the cassette chamber within the kit's stated time frame, and then add buffer if required. This moves the specimen through the test strip for detection. You finish by timing the test precisely and checking for the control line. That line confirms the test worked. Read the result within the exact minutes the instructions specify, because early or late reading can mislead you. If the control line is missing or lines are faint and ambiguous, treat the result as invalid and repeat the test with a new kit. If you still get unclear outcomes, or if you need confirmation, make sure to contact a clinic for a professional lab-based test and counseling.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.